Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by giving Facebook what it needs to deliver alerts. This is the single most common blocker. Open Settings, select Apps, find Facebook, and enable notifications along with background app refresh. On mobile, make sure mobile data and cellular background are allowed. Also check Do Not Disturb and any battery optimizer. They often silence notifications to save power. Once those basics are enabled, proceed to app-level notification settings so Facebook can actually push the alerts to your device. Now you dive into Facebook's internal controls. This is where the app decides what to send. In Facebook, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings and tap Notifications. You'll see Push, Email, and SMS. Turn on Push for device alerts, and tailor each category so you only get relevant items. Make sure critical categories like comments, tags, and group activity are enabled. Once done, log out and back in to refresh your token, which makes the updated preferences active immediately. Finish by ensuring the app and system are in sync. Update Facebook from the store. If issues persist, reinstall to refresh delivery tokens. On Android, clear cache. On iOS, offload the app then reinstall. Restart your device to finalize system-level changes. If notifications still fail, one key troubleshooting tip. Create and test with a second Facebook account or a friend's device. That isolates whether the issue is account-specific or device-specific and guides the next corrective action.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.